Good afternoon. Dr. Carla Shapiro, a gastrointestinal specialist, is with us today to talk about digestive problems. Welcome to our program.
Thank you for having me.
It seems that many people have digestive issues. Can you tell us about one of the common issues that you see?
I would say that lactose intolerance is a very big problem for many people. This means that people are unable to digest dairy products such as milk and ice cream.
Why does this happen?
All babies have a special substance called lactase, which helps to break down the sugar in milk so the body can use it for energy. However, research has discovered that in some people, lactase production slowly decreases. So, when these individuals consume dairy products, they experience digestive problems such as bloating, stomach aches, and diarrhea.
What percentage of the world is lactose intolerant?
Actually, research has shown that about 68% of the world's population has some degree of lactose intolerance. People in Northern Europe do not suffer as commonly from this problem as, say, someone from Eastern Asia.
So why do some regions have this condition and others don't?
Recent research has indicated that over 5,000 years ago, when some cultures started farming rather than hunting for food, those that raised cows, sheep, and goats seemed to develop this ability to consume dairy products. Perhaps they began to rely on animal milk to fight famine.
So over time, these people could drink milk as adults?
Yes, that is what research shows. In fact, scientists believe cultures that started to use animal milk kept the ability to break down lactose, and over time, it changed their gene structure.
So this is seen in all European cultures?
Mostly. But some groups in Ethiopia and Kenya and a few other places also have this ability, because these groups began to farm and raise animals, especially cows and goats.
So some people can eat dairy products and others have to avoid them?
Yes, that is right. However, this intolerance can happen at any time. For example, even in European countries, we see young patients who are unable to digest milk.
So what alternatives are available for those people who are lactose intolerant?
There are different types of dairy-free milk products available, like soya, almond, and rice. Also, the food industry has introduced many lactose-free products, so people can still enjoy a lactose-free version of ice cream. There's also a tablet that you can take to help break down lactose. This can help some people.
Well, our time is up for today. I would like to thank you so much for joining us today, Dr. Shapiro.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure talking with you.